Number 1. Simplified 3-wire universal installation, auto or manual arming and disarming, ignition circuit, sensor, compact design, 3-11/16 in, x 2-3/4 in, x 7/8 in, dual axis accelerometer, for detecting impact/inclination. Number 2. Work with any motorcycle with 12-volt batteries. This electronic anti-theft alarm with remote controller can let your motorbike keep away from thieves. Automatic remote engine start, adjustable shock sensor, remote arming disarming, flashing lights warning /125 dB, powerful siren warning, emergency alarm, anti-hijacking by cutting off power supply. Number 3. Electronic brake disc lock, with a 0.51-inch special hardened, bolt security level, 18, bolt lock body and supporting elements of the locking mechanism are made of special hardened steel. Alarm function on basis of the ABUS 3D detection system, which means that every movement is detected. Alarm of at least 100 decibels. Number 4. 2-button one-way, up to 600 feet. Range, closed loop trigger for protecting helmets and other valuables. If loop is broken, alarm triggers. Small water-resistant alarm, for motorcycles, ATVs, boats, and more. Small 2-button, waterproof remote. Number 5. Ultra compact and powerful 120 decibel siren, two-way pager receives signals from up to 1/2 mile away, alerting you if the alarm has been activated. 3-button remote also included.